Hi, it's Emily and Alex. I'm drinking a peppermint mocha with a dash of glitter in it. And today we're going to show you how to make a kitschy Mickey Holiday Wreath.
Okay, so how are we going to do this?
Alright, so we're going to take all of our supplies that we got at the dollar store, starting with wreath forms. So you're going to want to get one large circle wreath form. Hold that.
Yes.
And then you're going to get, oh no, I got them tangled together.
She does magic. Did you know that? The ring tricks are like, ah.
No, I'm not going to do magic. All right, so to get started, we're going to have to like plan out where our hidden Mickey goes.
Okay.
Well, he's not hidden. I keep calling him hidden. He's not hidden.
So these, this wreath has these like brace bars that go across the side. Are you going to line it up with that? Does that look like a good placement, or just close to that?
I think so, close to that. So yeah, kind of gauge. I mean,
it is up to your own sight to eyeball it. We don't have exact measurements.
So that's why I'm laying it down on the table and I'm kind of looking out because you might end up getting a slightly different wreath form than we're using.
Yeah, that's
You
very
can
true.
also use those styrofoam circles that they have for floral at craft stores too. So our little circles, like I said, they're supposed to be like spheres.
Yes.
And so they came with these little
snowflake hubcaps.
Yeah, Alice says they look like snowflakes, but they're little wire things that are supposed to form this sphere. Well, we're not making them a sphere, so I'm just going to repurpose and be resourceful and use these. Once I have my ears where I want them placed, I'm just going to use what was already in the package to do the first attachment.
They also make great earrings. No? Just me.
No, they don't, dear. Don't.
Well, they make not great earrings. How's that? They make not great earrings. I guess don't come to me for your fashion advice.
Usually I send him all day long, but that one I can't even joke about bad earrings, okay?
Not with those on. Oh, did you see what she's got? She's so
jewels.
fancy.
So, okay, now that you mentioned my jewels.
How can I not?
I mean,
I'm blinded by them.
Do a quick walk by.
So glamorous.
So we went through all of Alex's Nana's jewelry, and they let me, it was all costume jewelry and stuff, but they let me take what I wanted, and I found some fabulous things that you'll be seeing me wear quite often.
And look how well it goes with t-shirts.
I know, we were like surprised because it actually looks pretty cute with a t-shirt. I think I'm into this whole new look of wearing just absurd costume jewelry with t-shirt and sweatpants. All right, so we've made initial contact here, but this is not gonna hold it very well. It's just
flimsy.
It's a little flimsy, just to kind of get it in place. So we're gonna wrap it again with this green floral wire to sturdy it up. This is something you should be good at.
You should be able to do this.
All right, so he's weaving through to kind of tie it off.
Yeah, not just wrapping it around the outside. It's kind of like just weaving it. That's the best way to put it.
This is to anchor it. And then, I bet, we'll start just wrapping.
Yep.
Oh, look, that is what I did.
How did she predict this?
All right.
It's almost like it's a good way to hold it together.
This is thin floral wire, so we're just cutting it with a pair of my scissors that I don't care about too much. But if you have thicker, you might need wire cutters for it. All right, so
Good start.
this is the exciting part.
Look at all the shiny, shiny garland.
All right, so this is what we're really here for, right? The tinsel wrapping. So, really, the starting point shouldn't matter. I think we're just going to start down here at the bottom and then just go around. We finished wrapping it. All right, so it's all wrapped up in the tinsel garland. Like I said, we wrapped around the ear parts again to make it sturdier than it was with just the wire. So it's pretty sturdy now, and when it's hanging on your door with a wreath hanger, it'll be just fine. So, Alex didn't like that part very much. I liked it. He didn't like it. I thought it was fun.
No comment.
He didn't like the big wrapping job. What do you think about the small wrapping job? Do you think I like that? Because this is obviously not going to take as long.
Okay. So how is this going to go on there?
Well, however we want. Do you want to decide, or do you want me to decide?
I'll decide.
Okay, well then I'll hold it.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, same deal. This is wire, so if you don't want to hot glue it, you can just wrap the wire around and use the wire as the anchor to hold it on there.
Are we done?
Well, no, actually, okay. So go show them the baubles.
Ooh.
So this is what he looks like with his baubles on. And then, the only thing we're gonna do next is add the bow. But obviously you could continue to decorate this wreath however you want. You could use artificial flowers. You could use some of those jingle bell. Ooh, maybe we'll do that.
Got some jingle bells.
Yeah.
Customize it however you like.
I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty cute. Use some of those jingle bells from the previous one. Use anything you want. We're gonna go for mid-century, kitschy, and simple. So
bow at the bottom?
So
or top, or?
I was thinking bow at the bottom. Now, what would be cute is if you wanted to make it Minnie and put the bow in the center, and then it's Minnie wearing a bow. Or if you wanted to be Mickey, you put the bow anywhere. Yeah. Oh, ooh, a bow tie. So what are we gonna go with? We're gonna go with Mickey.
That is up to you.
All right.
Now, if you're gonna do Minnie, are you gonna cut off those little end pieces?
Oh, that'd be cute. Okay, yeah. If you were gonna do Minnie,
Just like wrap
and
it.
you could cut off those.
That's very Minnie.
That would be super cute.
Let's do that. That looks kind of cute. It's different.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
All right.
Going Minnie.
We're going Minnie. So yeah, easy enough to cut off this part. And this was only $1, so I don't feel bad customizing it, changing it. Our finished product.
Isn't that cute?
Very cute. And you know what we didn't do? We didn't get a door hanger to put it on our doorway.
They sell those at the dollar store too.
They do, and guess what we did? We walked right by them. That's that. And let's see. We bought 3 of these. We only used 2. We probably have enough. We could make 2 of these. So that's $3. We bought 2 of these lines of baubles. That's $2 more, so that's $5.
That's 5.
This bow was $1,
Makes 6.
and each wreath form was $1. So that's $9. And
$9.
I already had the floral wire, but so add $1 if you need to buy the floral wire. So it's like a $10 Mickey wreath, and it's personalized just as you want it.